Yes, a very good evening to all. Hope I'm audible to you people. Do I'm audible to you kids? Yes. So how are you all? All of you had the lunch and all of you finished your first session and your school classes and all. Okay. So fine then, welcome to today's session and it's Pushpashri here and I'll be handling your mathematics. So as you all got your information today, I'll be handling your mathematics since because in maths we are still there back. That means we have to complete a lot of portions compared to the GK. So that's the reason today I have allotted you a mathematics session. Okay. So fine then, let us start our today's session. So before that, I want everyone to enable your videos. So everyone please enable your videos. If you are not enabling your videos, you will be removed from the session. So please keep that in the mind. Okay. So firstly, I'll ask the questions and then I'll move on with today's session since I said in the last session that I'll be asking the question. So firstly, I'll go with Aniket. Yes, Aniket, can you please enable your video? I want everyone to enable your video, kids. So please do enable your videos. And I can see some new students have joined it for today's session, Niriksha and then Nakul. So for both of them, I welcome you for the session. And kids, I'm your Pushpashri and I'll be handling your mathematics. Along with that, I'll be handling the GK too. And for you people today, we are having a mathematics class. So please, please maintain a notebook, a separate notebook for your mathematics and a separate notebook for your GK. And for this mathematics, you have to maintain 100 pages book. Call it as a formula book. Okay. So whatever the formulas I'll be teaching you people, you will be writing that in the formula book. Okay. And I have completed few chapters. Don't worry, those chapter videos will be uploaded in the app of Buttonbut Tutorials. You can watch that. And few chapters have already uploaded. You can go through that and you can learn it. Okay. And fine, I said you people to enable the video. Rest of them haven't enabled the video. So if you are not enabling your video, make sure you will be removed from the session. Clearly, I am telling you people this. So firstly, I'll go with yes, Aditya Prakash. Unmute Aditya Prakash.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya Prakash, tell me polygon with a 6 side is called as what?
Ma'am, polygon with 6 side, ma'am.
Yes. If you know, you can tell. Yes, I know, ma'am. If you don't know, you can tell, ma'am, I don't know.
I don't know, ma'am. Actually, my classes.
I don't want the reason, kid. I said you to learn, but even though you haven't learned, why? And you, if you people are raising the hand, I never ask you the question. You all know doing when I'm asking the question, you should not raise the hand. I'll only pick out the peoples and I'll only ask the questions. Have the patience and wait for your chances too. Okay. Yes, Aniket. Aniket, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aniket, tell me polygon with the 8 side is called as what?
Heptagon, ma'am.
Octagon. Polygon with 4 sides?
Sorry.
Polygon with 4 sides?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Ma'am, quadrilateral. Ma'am, quadrilateral.
Polygon with 5 sides?
Ma'am.
You haven't studied. This shows that you haven't studied, Aniket. And now let me go with wait. I'll go with Anjita. Polygon with the 9 sides. Polygon with the 9 side, Anjita. You stayed on a mute again. Taresh.
Ma'am,
Polygon with 5 sides.
pentagon,
Polygon with 9 sides.
nonagon,
Polygon with 7 sides.
heptagon,
Polygon with 4 sides.
quadrilateral,
Polygon with 5 sides. Don't see the book. You're seeing the book and I'm observing that. This shows even you haven't studied. Yes, Preetam.
Yes, ma'am.
Polygon with 9 sides.
Ma'am, 9 sides is called nanogon.
Polygon with 4 sides.
Ma'am, 4 sides is called.
Wow. See your camera and answer. Sit straight. Polygon with 6 sides.
Ma'am, 6 sides is.
Don't see down. See the camera and answer. Polygon with 6 sides.
Ma'am, heptagon.
Oh, seriously? Polygon with 8 sides. Don't see the book. But see the book. Polygon with 4 sides.
Ma'am, 4 sides is quadrilateral.
Polygon with 10 sides.
Ma'am, nanogon.
10 is nonagon. This shows even you haven't studied. 10 is nonagon, huh? Yes, Mohit. Polygon with 3 sides.
Ma'am, triangle.
Polygon with 9 sides.
Ma'am, nanogon.
Very good. Stay on a mute. Pooja. Enable your video, Pooja. Your face is not visible to me. Don't hide the camera. Yes, Amogha. Polygon
Yes,
with the 4th side. You're on a mute. One chance will be given. That's all. Aditya Gautam. Polygon
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
4th side.
Quadrilateral.
Polygon with the 8th side.
Octagon.
Polygon with the 10th side.
Decagon.
Okay. So only few people answered to my question. Few people, I mean, only in out of 100%, I can tell only 1% students have answered to my question. The rest of them, seriously, shame on you. Even though teaching is so neatly, and even though telling you each and everything, you people are not studying anything. This shows that you are not interested. If you are not interested, don't stay in the session. Please leave the session and go. At least the people who are interested will listen to me. And I'm telling you to enable your videos. Only 2-3 people said the reason not to enable not to enable their videos, and the rest of them haven't enabled your videos at all. I haven't seen your face till today. I don't know what is the reason. I don't want this to happen in my class. Remember that. Okay. So fine then. We'll go on. We'll continue our today's session. So in the last session, kids, we were there in the chapter of geometry. And in that, we were discussing some of the important terms related to the circle. So in the last session, till we have discussed till the segment, and the rest 2 things I have to discuss in today's session. And then we'll move on with the problems. So now I'm going to disable your chat session for a few minutes, and right now it's disabled. You all listen to me for the class now. Yes, and I hope the screen is visible to you clearly now. And the next type, that is the next important term that we have it on the circle, is central angle. Okay. So then what do you mean by central angle? So we'll just have a look into our central angle. Firstly, I'll write the meaning, then I start explaining you this. So central angle, that is the angle subtended at the center by any 2 points on the circumference of the circle is called central angle. Okay. So what is central angle? I'll draw a diagram and I'll show you how does it look, Anta. So this is your circle, and kids, inside the circle you're having a midpoint, and there are two lines. Okay, there are two lines that will be intersecting here. So here the one line is formed, and here the one line, and here your angle is formed, and this angle we call that as a central angle. Okay. And here I name this angle as AOB. Okay. So listen now, I'll tell you what is a central angle. In the circle, from the center point, an angle will be formed. Either the angle can form in the below, or either the angle can form on the left hand side, or on the right hand side, or on the upwards. So any of the angle that is formed at the center of the circle, that is by joining the circumference of the circle, that is the surrounding of the circle, then we are going to call that as a central angle, because the angle has formed in the center of the circle. You can observe the circle here. O is the midpoint. AOB is the central angle which is formed inside your circle. Okay. So this is what your central angle means, and this central angle is also one of the important terms that we use it on a circle. So now you all can start writing this. So once it is done, leave your messages in the chat session. In the meanwhile, I'll take your attendance. So complete it soon. Everyone complete it soon. And people who have logged in other names, please log in your name. Hardik, I'll give the chance. That time you can speak. Now you can just simply take down this. Be quick. Once you have completed this, please go through the things, whatever you have written. Complete it soon, everyone. Please draw your diagram neatly. Okay, is it completed by you all? Anybody is writing still? It's finished. Okay, people who are writing still, please take your screenshots. People who are writing still, please take your screenshots. And later you can copy down this. Okay, I hope you guys have completed this. Now I'm going to disable your chat session, and right now your chat session has been disabled. And have a look into your last term of the triangle, that is tangent. Okay, so tangent is one of the another word we use it in a circle. So then what do you mean by tangent? So let me write the diagram and the meaning and then explain you. The tangent of a circle is a straight line, which touches the circle, at a single point, okay? So tangent, it is just like a straight line which comes in the circle. See here, this is your circle, kids. And in your circle, let me write, this is your midpoint. And here you are having one straight line. So that straight line is touching here, and also the straight line is touching over here too. And here you are having one angle, and I'll just name that. Okay, and I'll just name that as M. I name this as O, and I'll just name here this as tangent. Okay, so tangent is nothing but how we are going to write means OM is tangent to ML. Okay, so this is what tangent mean. Okay, ulta T you'll write. So tangent here, this one of the straight line you're going to draw, and that straight line is going to touch any one point in the circle. So here the straight line is touching the circumference of the circle at the below, and there again one more line has formed, and that is called as tangent. The ulta T you can see here, where this is the OM is tangent to ML. Okay, so here you can write some other letter. OM is tangent to ML. That's all it is. So when I go with the problem, easily you will understand it still more better. And now all of you, please take down this. So please take down this now, everyone. Start writing. Once it is done, leave your messages in the chat session. Be quick. Abhi, okay, fine. Please take care, Abhiram. Take care of your health. Finished. Okay. Who is writing still? Anybody is writing? I know OVE or over. HOV or hover is also there. I was not knowing this. Check out your spelling when you are chatting with me. Done. Okay. Anybody is writing still? Kids, anyone is writing still? Okay, shall I go with the next part? Nakul, you have raised the hand. Nakul, can you chat with me in the chat session, dear? What happened, kid?
Ma'am, I'm still writing.
Okay, Nakul, complete it soon. Nakul, you have to write soon in the session, okay? In whatever you people have written, please go through the thing once. Finished. Done. Okay, hope you people have written this now. People who are writing still can take a screenshots, and now I'm going to disable your chat session. And kids, your chat session now has been disabled. And one more information, whatever we have learned till now is all the theory part, and with this tangent, your theory part of geometry got over. And now I'm going on with your QA session. Let us solve your QA session, the questions one after the other. So here is your first question. Have a look into your first question. That is in the following figure. In the following figure, comma, AOB is, please all of you listen, don't write. AOB is straight line, full stop and continue. If angle AOC is equal to 40 degree, comma, angle COD is equal to 4x degree, and angle BOD is equal to 3x degree, then COD, that is angle COD is equal to, okay kids, this is your question. For this question they have given you a diagram. So this is a diagram to your question. So there is angles which is formed like this on your straight line, and they have named this as A, this as O, and this as B, and this is your C, and this is your D. Here it is 40 degree, and here it is 4x degree, and here it is 3x degree. And for this you're having go options. Option A 80 degree, option B 100 degree, and then option C 120 degree, and option D 140 degree. So now please look into your solution carefully. Again and again I will not do the explanation, only one time I'll do, and listen to me carefully. So the question is here, in the following figure, there is one diagram. AOB is the straight line. Kids, you can observe AOB. This is a straight line. If angle AOC is 40 degree, you can observe here AOC is 40 degree, and COD is equal to 4x, that is COD is 4x, and angle BOD, that is BOT, that is 3x, then angle COD, that is angle COD, the middle angle, is equal to, so that means 4x is equal to how much degree they are asking. If 4x is equal to 80 degree, or it is 100 degree, or it is 120 degree, or it is 140 degree. So this is what they are asking in the question. Okay, so what you have to find in the question, you should have to find what is the angle of COD. Okay, this is your question. So let us move on to our solution. In the following figure, AOB is a straight line. I have already taught you in the beginning of the session, straight line means how much degree it is? It is 180 degree, isn't it? We have learned this in the beginning theory part, isn't it? So the same thing, Okay. So now let us go with the solution. Angle AOC, the first angle, plus angle COD, the second angle, plus angle DOP or BOD, whatever you can take. I'll take BOD, which is equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because straight line is always 180 degree. Okay. So now angle AOC, they are telling it is 40 degree, plus COD, they are telling it is 4x degree, plus BOD, they are telling it is 3x degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So now, since you have 4x plus 3x, add this to 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will become 7x degree, which is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. 40 degree is there on my left hand side. When I take my 40 degree to my right hand side, it will become minus. So plus will become minus once you take after your equal. This is the basic things that you have to understand in your mathematics. Why I haven't taken 40 there? Just because since you have a variable is nothing but that x. So after the number, since you have that x, where you have to find the x value, so I kept the x on my left hand, and whatever the thing I had on my left hand side, the numbers or the degrees, I've taken that to my right hand side. And now kids, 7x degree is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree, you will get 140 degree. X is equal to 140 divided by 7. 7 months are 720s. So now what is the value of x you have got? 20 degree. So with the help of x, can I find 4x and 3x? Yes, I can find. So now 4x is equal to 4 into 20. That is nothing but it is 80. Okay. And now 3x, that is 3 into 20, that is 60 degree. So now what value I want? 4x degree value. So what is the 4x degree value? 80. So option A is my correct answer. Even I found my 3x degree as 60 degree. And now you have one more hint. For your verification part, you can verify here whatever you have done is correct or wrong. See here, write the same thing, angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD. So here it is 40 degree. COD you had found it as 80 degree plus 60 degree. So 80 plus 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 plus 60, it is 180. So now you have got 180, where a straight line is 180. Okay. So this is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So hope you all got this. And this is an optional part for your understanding. If you want, you can write, or else you people can skip it. Okay. Again, I'll explain you. Listen. So here there is a straight line and there are three angles here. One is 40 degree, one is 4x and one is 3x, where you have to find the value of 4x. And here 4 plus 3 is 7x, 180. I have taken the 40 to my right hand side. 180 minus 40, I'll get 140. X is equal to 140 by 7. So therefore x is 20 degree. And 4x, since I got the x value, since here is 4x, so 4 into x value, I'll get 80 degrees. So where my option A is the correct answer. And I hope you kids have understood this. Now you all can start writing this. Once it is done, leave your message in the chat session. And Hardik, please leave your message in the chat session. So all of you start writing the question along with the answer, along with the diagram too. Write it neatly. Once it is done, tell me. It's fine, Hardik. You can take a screenshots or you can write it in other notes and later you can paste over that. If your computer restarted, it's not my problem, Aniket. So you have to please take down whatever visible on the slide because if I start explaining again, it takes another 10 minutes. I cannot waste another 10 minutes for all the 35 students in the session because of you. So please take down this. If you haven't understood still, once I upload the videos, you can go through that. People who haven't understood, don't worry. Once I upload the videos, you people can go through it. There is no meaning for 3x, man. That is the common sense, the value you have to find. So they have given 3x. Basic things you people don't know. How can you people pass in the exam? I seriously don't know. Yes, first you have to find the value of x degree and then you have to find the respective angles. Is it completed? Who is writing still? Please make sure you will be writing soon, completed soon. Completed soon. Is it done? Be quick, kids. Yes, I'm waiting. Okay. So hope you people have completed and people who are writing still, please take your screenshots and later you people can copy down. People who are writing still, please take your screenshots. Okay. So hope you guys have taken the screenshots and now let me go with the next part. Before that, I'm going to disable your chat session. And right now, your chat session has been disabled. All of you can listen to me for your second question. Have a look into your second question. The question is so easy. So have a look. If angle 1 is equal to 135 degree, comma, angle 4 is equal to 45 degree, then full stop and continue, then find angle 2 and angle 3 respectively. Okay. And kids, for this, you have a diagram 1. Have a look into the diagram. This is the diagram. Okay. And here you're having the angles. This is your first angle. This is your second. This is your second angle. This is your third angle. This is your fourth angle. Okay. And there is no names for this angles. And here you're having the options. Option A 145 degree, comma 35 degree. Option B 130 degree, comma 50 degree. Option C, that is 140 degree, comma 40 degree. Option D 45 degree and 135 degree. It's such a easiest question. You can observe to the diagram, kids. So here you can, by seeing the diagram, you can tell it is related to vertically opposite angles. So please go back to the theory that you have learned in your vertically opposite angles. So what happens in vertically opposite angles? The opposite angles will be equal. Suppose the value of first angle is 135 degree, even your third angle value will also be equal to 135 degree itself, because they are vertically opposite angles. In the same way, the second angle and the fourth angle, but the fourth angle value is 45 degree and the second angle value will also be equal to 45 degree, just because they are vertically opposite angles. So in the solution, nothing we are having. Angle 3 is equal to angle 1. Angle 3, angle 1 is 135 degrees, so that angle 3 will also be equal to 135. And then we are having angle 2 is equal to angle 4. And angle 4 we are having 45 degree, and even your angle 2 will also be equal to 45 degree, just because vertically opposite angles. And here even these two are vertically opposite angles. Okay, since because they are vertically opposite angles, the opposite sides of the angles are equal. Got this? So that's the reason here your option D is the correct answer. Okay, so hope you guys got this. It's such a easiest question. So now all of you can start writing this. Once it is done, make sure you're going to leave your messages in the chat session. So start writing, everyone. Who is this putting a messages like this? Kushwant. Why so, Kushwant? Why your chat session is there and what you're doing here in the chat session? Complete it soon. Done. Okay. So it's the easiest question. Complete it soon. Is it completed by all? Anybody is writing still? No. Okay. So people who are writing still can take a screenshots and later you people can copy down. So people who are writing still, please take your screenshots. People who are writing still, please take the screenshots. Okay. So now we'll go with our next question. So before that, I'm going to disable your chat session. Right now it has been disabled. We'll go with a third question. Have a look into your third question. The question is, from the following figure, find angle A. Okay. So from the figure, you have to find your angle A, and this is your figure. And in this figure, this is your angle A, this is your angle B, and this is your angle C, and they're telling angle C is 60 degree. And for this question, kids, you're having a option A 15 degree, option B 45 degree, and option C it is 30 degree, and option D it is 90 degree. So have a look into the diagram carefully. So here the diagram is having the three sides, and the diagram you can observe that the diagram is like a triangle. Okay. So we can tell a triangle. What is the total area of a triangle? What is the total value of a triangle? As we have already learned, it is 180 degree, isn't it? So now let us go with the solution. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C, which is equal to 180 degree. And we have to find angle A. Angle B is 90 degree. You can ask me, ma'am, how you have taken 90 degree? They haven't given no. But still you can see the angle here, right? This is a right angle triangle. Hope you all remember. So in right angle triangle, when I was teaching, this angle will be always equal to 90 degree. I have taught you people, and the total area will be equal to 180 degree. Hope you remember that. So that's the reason in the place of B, take 90 degree, and C is already given in the question as 60 degree. So please take the same 60 degree equal to 180 degree. And now angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 60. How much you are going to get? So 90 plus 60, you will get 150 degree. So 180 minus 150, it is 30 degree. So what is the angle A value now? It is 30 degree. Option C is the correct answer. Ma'am, how can we do the verification whether it is right or wrong? Go with the same angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. A value you have found it as 30. B value given in the question 90. C value given in the question 60. And if you add these three, that will be equal to 180 degree. So it has been proved. So 30 degree is the correct answer. Okay. So hope you kids got this now. You all can start writing. And once it is done, please leave your messages in the chat session. So all of you start writing this, quickly complete this problem. Complete this problem quickly. Complete it soon, kids. It's finished. Okay, very good. Who is writing? 150 is 90 plus 60 is 150, dear. Easy one. 90 plus 60. Be quick. Only if you understand, it will be easy, or else it will be very tough. So please do understand the concepts clearly. Only if you know the theory well, then you can solve the problem. So please do read the theories, whatever I have given you. So that's the reason we took a lot of time to discuss the theory, since because theory is very important to you in this chapter especially. Complete it soon, be quick. Okay. So hope you people have written this. If anybody is writing still, please take your screenshots. People are writing still, please take your screenshots. Is it completed? Okay. So hope you people have completed. Now I will stop your share. So please, Riti, reply back to that message, okay? Check it properly and reply. So fine then. Hope you all have understood whatever I have done it on today's session. So today we have solved nearly 3 problems. So all the 3 problems are important, kids. You have to know all the 3 problems, and still whatever the problems I'm going to solve, even all those chapters are important to you. Even you have to learn that. Okay. Got this, everyone? All of you had taken down the notes? Yes? Okay. So now all of you enable your videos and show me your book. Okay, fine. Tarish, Swarali, keep turning your pages, kids. Okay, fine. Briti, that's all? Okay. So fine. All of you keep your books down now. Please keep your books down, all of you. So kids, till now, we have discussed about some of the theory parts of geometry, and kids, all those theory things are very important. People who haven't studied your theory still, make sure you will be studying your theory, because if you don't know the theory, you won't understand the things, whatever I'm doing it for you. Okay. So please do study the theory before coming on to the next session. Please study about whatever the things I have done. So today I can see lot of people haven't answered to my questions. So please make sure you will be studying and you will be answering to my question. So from next class onwards, if you people are not answering to my question, means you will be put in the waiting room, or you will not be allowed to attend my session. Deshaun, the class is going on, but you are missing from your chair. I don't know where you have gone. During the session, you have to sit and you have to listen to me. Can't you spend 1 hour in the class? In 1 hour also, you people will be going on here and there. And you people will be drinking, you people will be eating after telling all things, but even you people will do the same thing. I seriously don't understand why these things are happening. Fine. So today is your work. Today what you have to do, you have to sit and you have to study the theory part of geometry. Everyone has to study this. Before coming on to next session, I will ask it. Okay. So please do sit and study the theory part of geometry. Everything, whatever I have taught you, you have to study. Okay. Dishant, you had such a busy work in the home that you wanted to move on there. Why you went during the session? I have instructed you lot of time not to move here and there in between the session. Even though I was calling your name, you were not there. Even for drinking the water, people will be asking the permission here, but you are missing. Although suddenly I'm telling you something, and I gave some assignment to you for your friends. Have you listened to that? Can you please unmute? Deshant.
Ma'am,
Yes, where you went?
to wash this.
Huh?
To wash this.
But you later you would have gone, right? You would have listened to me. I gave the assignment. Now what you will do regarding the assignment? How will you complete that? Even can I go by leaving the session, by leaving all this 30 people? Make sure you will not be doing that again. Okay? Okay. So still you have a question, Harshit. I'm going to solve that. Okay. So fine then, kids, it's been time up. With this, let me wind up our today's session. So thank you all for attending the class and meet you all in the next class. I hope all of you have understood today's session. The new students, I think you have understood. Whatever the new students have written today, please make sure you will be copying that to your notes by keeping a new notebook for the mathematics separately. Okay. So fine then, with this, let me wind up the session. So thank you all for attending the class and meet you all in the next class. That's on tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll be having a GK class itself. Don't worry about that. Okay. So fine then, with this, let me wind up the session. So bye-bye. Meet you all in the next class. So until then, stay home, stay safe, and do the homeworks properly. Okay. Bye-bye.